put a what in there? Well, his throat is the size of a quarter. So. We got the blue Fanta. Evan, you're gonna like that cookie a lot. Glenn's muffin is dense. They really didn't put that much ice cream in them. I'm not crazy about the Sprite.
I love it.
Like, it's fun. Which one's this one? Coke.
The ice cream's like melting, so you kind of gotta mix it up, I think.
Yeah. The Coke's good.
Only other one I want to try is blue raspberry.
The Coke is good, you said?
Yeah, Coke is good.
I don't like.
It's like a
Coke, and I know
classic.
what root beer tastes like.
You don't like Coca-Cola? You're gonna not have fun in the Coke Museum.
Oh, I came for Glam. So. If you want to break off a piece of the muffin, you could go ahead.
That's good. It tastes like a I don't even. It's unique because I was gonna say it tastes like a blue raspberry like Airhead.
I think once
it
the
has
ice
the
cream
ice
melts a
cream.
little bit more, it'd be better.
And root beer. Cool.
She's the only one that didn't pass it, so I said, he got shoes on, she got flats. The rest of y'all got running shoes on.
And then the last time it was exactly what we're doing. On the end, on the left. How's everybody doing today?
Walking in to the vault. At the heart of Coca-Cola, there's a secret. Oh. I think I'm about to put my glasses on this. Drinks a day. Lemon orange. Chocolate. That was Coca-cola. I've seen all the different bottles. Secret Thunder. Isn't it crazy to think that here in Atlanta, like, it's sold all over the world, you know? Lauren, what'd you do it? You touched it?
Yeah.
Go do it, Glenn. Soft drinks, juice. citrus. Do orange. What flavor is that? I think it do taste coconut. Coconut pineapple. What do you think it is? Did you try it? It tastes like cherry.
Maybe they're making a cherry Sprite. Or something. Or
Cherry coconut?
something Sprite.
Strawberry coconut? I think Glenn liked it.
Bonbon glaces?
This is from Madagascar. That's this. I'm trying to like pick out the flavors, but I can't pick them out. Pineapple.
I almost want to say banana.
Yeah. That's what it is.
Banana?
Banana. I want to try this one with honey. Fish pizza. Indonesia. It's not busy. That ain't for me. Apple kiwi from Thailand. It's better than the other one. Costa Rica Fanta?
Pineapple.
From Greece. The North American ones are
That's good.
the pineapple.
Yeah. Oh, it's just a cocoa thing.
That's good. Country Club from Dominican Republic. Try this one. That one's from Uganda. I like that one a lot. It looks like guava and peach and orange. There's so many to taste. The ground is also insanely sticky. Sour plum from China. Anyway. It tastes like Tabasco. Like, okay. Try Beverly from Italy. Oh, I like Beverly from Italy. That tastes another great. They have a Joy from Korea. Korea Minute Maid Joy is apple lychee. Strawberry. Sparberry from Zimbabwe. I like that one. Thailand mango frosty. Like it tastes like daycare to me. This one smells floral. Oh, that's the one I liked. Floral citrus. So it's woody, fruity. Yeah, it tasted woody. I'm guessing what beet one is.
it's caramel. Alright, our next is B2. Go ahead. Alright, let's see what we have. And it's apple cider.
Yeah.
Alright, our final scent is B3. Go ahead. Alright, let's see what we have. And it's pumpkin spice.
It's not pumpkin spice. It's kind of funny. That's a pretty. That's Santa Claus. The apparel. The suitcase is fun. The lamp. All the different languages. That's cool. So our year was Coca-cola and Joy. We were born. That's not Coke, is it? Look up America. 6 million a day. It was 1925. The polar bear is cute. What is that? Space dispenser? And Evan's missed it. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Why didn't I know this was my lamp? Baseball. The lights be bright. He's from Boston. Olympic. Evan would want this jacket too. It's bright in here. Oh, hi there. This feels like we're walking into Harry Potter. Oh. Oh, well, sorry to make sure. It has the noise of the glass bottles clicking. Oh, in that mold. Look how cute. It's like stuff. We are back from the Coca-Cola Museum and the aquarium. So I want to show you a couple of things that we got while we were there. From the aquarium, and I think I said it in the clip, me and Glenn get like a little stuffed animal baby every time we go to like the museum or aquarium or something like that. So we got Hamses, and we have named him Willard. And then from the Coca-Cola Museum, we had the option to make some custom cans. So we did that. We made one for us, and then my grandmother is a big Coca-Cola person, so we got her a custom one too. But some other little knickknacks. Glenn likes to collect Hot Wheels and little cars, so he got this little Coca-Cola truck. Every time we go on vacation too, we get my parents a magnet for their fridge, and we got them this Atlanta Coca-Cola one with the bottle opener. And then we got us a magnet. The custom Coke cans are obviously the best part of this. So I'm gonna show my grandmother's first. Her name, we call her Nanny. And Nanny got this one with the Atlanta, it's like the building and it says Atlanta on it and her name on it, or her nickname. That's her name. That should be her government name. And then me and Glenn's is so stinking cute. I'm so excited. Me and Glenn got this Diet Coke. This is Abby and Glenn with the heart and the two polar bears. So we're back now and we're just gonna spend some time with family, play some games. I think we brought a daiquiri from Louisiana here, so we might be drinking that. We'll keep you updated. I hope my phone is picking up the birds. Good morning. Good morning. It's the next morning. We have our coffee and we're just enjoying nature without sweating like we would in Louisiana. Today we're getting wedding stuff done. The guys are just gonna build a giant cross for the ceremony. We're gonna use my Cricut today. Then we're going out to dinner tonight, set up for rehearsal, doing all the wedding things. So I don't know how much I'm gonna get because I don't want to intrude on their wedding stuff. But I will show you dinner tonight if nothing else. We're here doing an update because I think this bathroom's really cute. Spray tan is done. This is my hair that I have going on right now. But we got a spray tan, so the superior complex is hitting. I'll show you. They did, so my husband and his brother built a cross for the bride-to-be to be out during the ceremony, and it's really cool, so I'm gonna show you that. They're like working on staining it and everything. So tonight is game night. We're not gonna go out to eat anymore because we got spray tan, so I can't do makeup or anything. But we're gonna play games. We're gonna do all the fun things. It's the next morning. I'm not getting ready. This is what I'm wearing for the day because honestly it's too big and it keeps falling down. But we're gonna ignore that, I think. I'm not getting like ready. I'm just doing skincare and like doing my hair because tonight is a rehearsal for the wedding, and I'm gonna get like full going for that, and I don't want to take my makeup off to put back on, so we're not doing that. So right now I'm just doing skincare, and I don't have cotton pads for mine so I'm just using a full-on now, which I don't think is recommended. But spray tan looks pretty good. I still look pretty tan. Tattoos looking good. Glenn, do you think maybe we should like tuck it into the bandeau? Try that. Does my tan look okay? With it washed off? She really did a good job. Like the hands and everything look good. I need to find someone that can tell us Baton Rouge that can do like this. Cause that was easy. I just stood there like these. And she put like the first coat was like a water. It looked like water, but I think it was like human glue or something. Did you come in here to check on me, or you needed something?
I'm just checking.
Were you just talking to me? I have a kink in my neck. Every time I think I have it, like oh, I have a kink in my neck right there. I think of Aladdin. 10,000 years will give you such a kink in the neck.
Crick in the neck.
Kink.
I'm pretty sure it's crick.
Is it crick or kink? I thought it was kink. 10,000 years gave you such a kink in the neck.
Crick.
Crick?
10,000 years will give you such a crick in the neck.
Crick?
Crick.
That sounds weird.
C-R-I-C-K. Crick.
Say it, sorry.
10,000 years will give you such a crick in the neck.
No, spell it again.
C-R-I-C-K.
Crick. I don't like that. That sounds weird. I thought it was kink.
What did I say it was?
I don't know. Crunk. You want moisturizer?
No.
I'll put it on to me. It feels good, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good. Mom still hasn't responded to me and I'm offended. Mother, if you're watching this, I'm offended you're not texting me back. Okay, I don't know if this outfit's like. Yeah, I'm changing.
Okay, I see the tan now that you're wearing a white shirt.
Yeah. You see the tan?
Also, it gets darker over time, right?
It got dark
I
last
do see
night.
it now, yeah.
Like when I woke up this morning, I looked like I rolled in that stain.
Yeah, with the pink and the white, I see it now.
She's tan.
You can go ahead and make it like
Ah. Okay, I got these to try. They're Hawaiian roll sliders. These little bagel bites are the shit. Hawaiian roll Swiss. They're Swiss and ham.
I like sliders. You know I don't like sliders.
Oh.
I just don't like pretzel buns or slider buns.
Okay. They're good. They're like all melty. These bagel bites are bomb. Look at this view behind us. That's crazy. Yeah, that's insane.
But Rich.
Good morning. Oh, hey. Hello. Ready for a wedding?
Looks like it.
The views look really good.
My backyard's never looked like this before.
Abby, would you get the extra sweetness at 7 Brew?
No. Because our normal sweetness is like a sweet coffee.
I got the mocha and I was struggling with the regular.
This is good. Yeah, it's half caramel swirl, half French vanilla swirl.
Wait, no, let me put them on. Brown sugar shaken espresso with 1 pump of caramel swirl. They're saying it's too bitter. But
We need a Dunkin in Louisiana. Or
they
one
have
close
one
to us.
in Metairie, yeah.
Do they have one in Metairie, or is it just like a pop-up in a gas station?
It's in Metairie, actually a Dunkin' Donuts.
When you want to come look at this door?
Oh, this is what I changed my outfit to. So like, I'm gonna change. Some of the New Balances. I think that other romper's too big for me. I'm gonna try to return it, I think. Hi! So this is the overall like overview of everything. Hi!
I have extra.
Are you such a good girl? You look like a doll. You look like a fake doll.
I thought I had pink eye. I have determined I do not have pink eye because it's not even red today. It's not even red today. I think I just like.
See, I don't even see anything today.
I think I just had my contacts in for so long and it got irritated and I scratched it.
Oh, maybe.
Because I had them in for like over a month.
So sweet. Oh, you're so needy.
And as soon as they're like the extended wear kind, so you can wear them for a month. But I had them in for too long because I'm waiting for the new ones to come in.
Look at them floppy eels.
And
I'm taking my. My like really good MAC foundation is tanner than what I am, so now I can wear it. There you go. So I'm excited. So this foundation is too dark, but I don't have it in it. I think it's looking too light. Yeah. Oh, a lot of
you are so prepared. I try. I'm telling you, I like do makeup enough to like wear it to be okay for work.
It was a long time, so I was really, really into it in high school. Like, would get like the palette releases and everything else and do my friend's makeup for a lot of things. And then I got to college and my depression got really bad. And then I just got really busy. I didn't like really do makeup at all. But I'm starting to actually take care of myself again, which means makeup again for me, because I enjoy doing it.
See, I don't. I'm just like, it's a means to an end. I'm like, I want it to be done.
Yeah, I enjoy doing it.